Scene script. Ever pondered about those common health issues that seem to persist no matter what remedies you try? Well, nature has gifted us with a golden solution: turmeric. This vibrant spice, a staple in many kitchens, packs a plethora of health benefits that could very well be your ticket to a healthier life. First on the list of turmeric's impressive benefits is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, works wonders in reducing inflammation at a molecular level, potentially aiding in the management of conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Next, turmeric steps up as a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. But turmeric goes a step further. Not only does it combat these harmful substances, but it also boosts the body's own antioxidant defenses, making it a double whammy against oxidation. When it comes to brain health, turmeric is no slouch either. Research suggests that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to various improvements in pathological processes of Alzheimer's disease. It's a spice that packs a punch for cognitive health. Turmeric also shines in supporting heart health. It improves the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of the blood vessels. This is critical because endothelial dysfunction is a significant driver of heart disease. It's like a maintenance worker, ensuring everything runs smoothly in your body's intricate vascular system. Let's not forget about turmeric's potential in preventing and even treating cancer. Various studies show that curcumin can reduce angiogenesis, metastasis, and contribute to the death of cancerous cells. It's like a silent guardian, putting up a robust fight against one of the scariest diseases known to mankind. To cap it all off, turmeric may even assist in warding off depression. Studies indicate that curcumin has the potential to boost BNDF levels, potentially reversing changes in the brain linked with depression. It's like a ray of sunshine, brightening up even the gloomiest days. In essence, turmeric is a golden treasure of health benefits. It tames inflammation, acts as a potent antioxidant, supports brain and heart health, may potentially fight against cancer, and even help stave off depression. It's not just a spice. It's a powerful tool in the pursuit of a healthier, happier life. So why not sprinkle a little more of this golden goodness into your life? Remember, good health is the greatest wealth.